I've got this rotor zone. It's running at lower pressure than I expected it to run, and that's because we actually had to cap a line over there because it's broken at the base of that tree. And because that line is capped, the next 4 or 5 rotors are not working. That's because the water's not going in that direction anymore, which means we should have increased pressure. Well, that wasn't the only broken pipe, and let me show you how you can figure this out. I know that the line of rotors runs down here because, as you can see, they're running down there. So what I need to do is walk the line that these rotors are on to find other leaks. And even though I capped the pipe right here, we got another leak right here. And if you give me 1 second, yes, I can see that's a broken head, but there's also a broken pipe right here because of this tree. You gotta walk the line.